Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for April the 1st, 2026. Thank you for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be looking at the current severe thunderstorm watches and warnings for the lower 48 United States here. And I want to zoom out here. Basically, these are going to be severe thunderstorm warnings outlined in yellow. And this is going to include a great portion of the Midwest here, in the upper Midwest and the Mid-Atlantic states here, and as well as Texas and Oklahoma and states like that as well. Now, we have one in West Virginia here. This is for hail, mostly for hail and straight line winds. Hail anywhere in the order of a quarter of it, 3/4 of inches up to over an inch in hail, and straight line winds, 60-mile-an-hour winds. So one in West Virginia is for Doddridge, Harrison, and Tyler counties. Hail, once again, 3/4 inch hail. Winds gusting to 60-mile-an-hour here with this storm, and it's approaching the area of located 8 miles southwest of Union, West Virginia, 14 miles east of Harrisville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. So like I said, penny-sized hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts as it moves towards Clarksburg, West Virginia here. And you can see this line is bowing out. So some strong outflow boundary here, and these winds are heading toward Morgantown, West Virginia, and the Panhandle of West Virginia here as I zoom out here. And it makes its way just past the north of Wheeling, West Virginia. We have some showers over toward Pittsburgh, north of Pittsburgh, and Cranberry, and north of Butler, Pennsylvania, and also some showers along Cleveland there, but they're non-severe. Washington County, Maryland, 1 inch hail. This storm here, this cluster here, producing strong hail here towards Smithsburg and the I-68 corridor, Funkstown, and over towards St. James, Maryland, and halfway just south of Hagerstown, Maryland. If you're coming through there, just towards South Mountain, to the west of South Mountain there in Mount Etna, in western Maryland. Once again, 1 inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds. Radar indicated here, and this cell will continue to move out toward the north. Toward the south and southwest. They're moving east at 25 miles an hour. So going to the Midwest here in Oklahoma, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that expires in the next 15 minutes. This is for southeastern Grant County. It's been canceled here. And so now it's just moving these strong storms in Oklahoma here, just to the south, about 2 hours south of Wichita, Kansas here, heading into Ponca City, Oklahoma, Stillwater, Perry. You might want to look out for in the next 20 minutes here, Fairfax, Oklahoma. And this is all just part of this line here I'm showing you here, just about an hour north of Oklahoma City here. It's hitting the series of Perry, between Perry and Ponca City, Oklahoma, and Enid, Oklahoma. These showers are moving in there. Texas, Childress County, Texas here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning here for these storms here, producing a quasi-similar line, similar bow echoing here going on here in this line here. But strong winds, 60-mile-an-hour winds, and 1 inch hail in Texas for Childress County, Texas, 60-mile-an-hour winds. And also, this whole line has been warned here as it heads eastward here, as it makes its way towards Vernon, Texas, along the Red River Valley here. All of these towns here are going to be experiencing 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts and straight line hail here. So we've done some warning in Kentucky. This is for Bullitt, Hardin, LaRue, and Nelson counties here. This is for Elizabethtown here, just along I-65 here, heading up past Sonora and Horse Cave, Kentucky, into Elizabethtown here. So the next 15 to 20 minutes, Elizabethtown need to take shelter, take 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Vehicle damage hail is expected, so please bring your vehicles underneath a carport, or if you can, inside, as the storms move through Elizabethtown, Radcliffe, Junction, and the Fort Knox area just south of there. It's going to be heading toward Interstate 65 in the next 15-25 minutes here in that area, so take cover. Now, we also have some flash flood warnings in Utah, and this is in southern Utah in the Four Corners areas here. If I zoom out here, this is in southern Utah here. And we also have flash flood warning in Ohio and West Virginia here. A big block of Chester here. Flash flood warnings, flash flood watches and warnings in green here. This is just to the north of Parkersburg here. And these flash flood warnings do continue here for Athens, Morgan, Pleasant, Washington, and Wood counties there in Ohio and West Virginia. And as well as Athens, Jackson, Meigs, Ritchie, and Wood counties there as well in Ohio, West Virginia here. You see this green box here for next hour and 30 minutes here for southeastern Ohio and that Athens County. We have Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the area. Rainfall rates anywhere from 1 to 2 inches per hour here. So you want to watch out here if you're in Parkersburg, Ohio, southeastern Ohio here, heading toward Clarksburg and Morgantown, West Virginia. Heavy rain here as these storms are just producing training, one cell after the other here. As you can see these discrete cells here as I put the radar in motion here. These discrete cells are going over the same area here to the south of Parkersburg, and they're just going over the same area here, Martinsville, West Virginia, Moundsville, and they're producing heavy showers, heavy rain, 1 to 2 inches per hour. So just something to look out for there Florida. And that's all we have here. As I zoom out here, you can see the bigger picture here. We don't have no tornado warning storms. This is all just hail and straight line winds here coming through the Ohio Valley mostly. So if you're heading south from Columbus there, off of Interstate 70, maybe coming up 75 through Cincinnati, east of Cincinnati, or 275, or you're coming up 64 there through West Virginia and the panhandle of West Virginia. You want to be careful. These storms are advancing eastward, and some showers here. Also, we don't forget our friends here down in Virginia. If we come along I-81 north of Roanoke and Staunton and Max Meadows and all those areas, you want to get careful. These showers are all along I-81 here. Not severe yet, just heavy rainfall, downpours, summertime like, as this heat surges and the southerly moisture comes up here. As well as in North Carolina, just some brief showers in Boone and toward that, just north of Asheville there. Some showers continuing in the mountains there at the Appalachians there in Johnson City, Bristol. Some showers continuing there as well. This has been your severe thunderstorm warning and flash flood warning update for April 1st, 2026. Thanks for joining me. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.